The volunteer abbreviated volume is a title used by a number of Ulster loyalist paramilitary organisations to describe the members. History of the term volunteer in Ireland. In Ireland, the term was used in the 18th century for members of local defence forces formed by the British government in anticipation of continental threats, such as Jacobite risings and French invasions. The term Ulster Volunteers goes back to 1803 when mention is made of the Ulster Volunteers of 1760. The Irish Rifle Volunteer Corps was established in London in 1859, and later became the London Irish Rifles in 1860, in response to the volunteer force movement in the rest of the United Kingdom. The short-lived Royal Irish Rifle Volunteers was established in Dublin. The 1,400 Irish Catholics who enlisted with the Papal Army in 1860 to defend the Papal States during the unification of Italy are cited as being volunteers. In 1913, the Ulster Volunteers were formed to resist Irish Home Rule. In response and in part inspired by the formation of the UVF, Irish nationalists founded the Irish Volunteers to defend Home Rule. In September 1914, there was a split in the Irish Volunteers and most of its 160,000 members became part of the National Volunteers, with 12,000 members led by Owen MacNeill. The remainder became the Irish Republican Army. The IRA and descended groups see themselves as a continuation of these Irish volunteers and use the term volunteer to describe the members. Modern usage in loyalism. The term is used by the modern Ulster Volunteer Force, formed in 1966, who see themselves as the direct continuation of the original Ulster Volunteers. It is also used by its youth wing, the Young Citizen Volunteers. Likewise, the Ulster Defence Association and Red Hand Commander refer to the members as volunteers. It is also found in the names of similar paramilitary groups like the Loyalist Volunteer Force, Orange Volunteers and now defunct Ulster Protestant Volunteers.